Hi, I'm Miss Ellen, and I'm going to teach you the first 5 notes that you're going to learn when you play the clarinet. Now get your clarinet out and let's go. The first note we're going to learn on the clarinet is G. It's on the second line of the treble clef staff, and we actually don't press down any keys when we play this note. A lot of times beginner students have a hard time playing a note when you don't press down any keys. So a great way to stabilize your clarinet is to hold the barrel with your left hand here right at the top when you play G. Next note we're going to learn is F. F is on the second space of the treble clef staff, and we're going to cover up the one hole that we have on the back of the clarinet. We're going to use our left thumb to cover up that hole and close that key. F sounds like this. If you aren't getting the same sounds I'm getting, it could be because your embouchure isn't right. Keep your teeth on top of the mouthpiece, keep your chin nice and flat, and use a lot of air. The next note we're going to learn is E. E is on the bottom line of the treble clef staff. E is fingered with our thumb on the back, just like F, and our first finger right here on the front. It's almost like we're pinching the clarinet shut. Here is an E. Now let's try playing those first 3 notes, G, F, and E. Remember to keep your fingers close to the keys so that you can cover them quickly. We're almost there. We're on our 4th note. D is the next note we're going to learn, and D actually is a note that hangs below the staff. It sort of dangles on the bottom line. When we play D, we're going to keep adding more fingers. We have our F finger, we have our E finger. Now we're going to add our middle finger to the second open key here on the front of the clarinet. And this is D. If you aren't getting a clean sound, you might not be using your tongue. Remember, the tip of your tongue needs to touch the tip of the reed. Here's what it sounds like when I tongue the notes, and what it sounds like when I don't tongue the notes. Make sure you use your tongue. You don't want to sound like that. Our last note is C. C is on a ledger line below the staff, and we are just going to add our ring fingers. So put your fingers down for D. We're going to put our ring finger on the final hole on the upper joint, and this is C. Now let's play all of those notes together. G, F, E, D, C. If you're having trouble or getting some squeaks, it could be that your fingers aren't covering the holes all the way. Squeaks mean there are leaks. Now let's play the notes backwards. C, D, E, F, G. Congratulations, you've learned your first 5 notes. Now go get your clarinet and practice these first 5 notes. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.